Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to study about friend classes. So what is friend class? A type of class whose member functions are allowed to access the private and protected data members of a particular class is called friend class. As we know that normally we cannot access the private and protected data members of any class outside the class, but using friend classes we can do so. Okay guys, let's get started. First let's define a class A, and here we have a private data member of our class. Let's say int A and a public here in the constructor of this video we will initialize our data member. Let's say A is equal to 90. Okay, we have to make class B as a friend class of A. So we will write friend keyword, then class B. It means class B is a friend class of A. So class B is a friend class of A. It means class B, all the member functions of class B can access the private and protected data member of class A, because class B is a friend class of A. Okay, let's now declare our class B. Class B public, let's say public member function, void return type, and the name of function is display. We have to display the private data member of class A using class B. So here we will pass the object of class A. Let's display the private data member of class A. So the value of A is, so as we know that A obj dot A. Notice here we are able to access the private data member of class A in member function of class B, because class B is a friend class of A. That is why we are able to access its private data member here. Otherwise we cannot access this data member. If we comment this line, then the compiler will raise error. So you see here a red line shows we cannot access, is inaccessible. So it is inaccessible here. In order to access this private data member, class B should be a friend class of class A. Okay, now the error goes away. Okay guys, now let's create two objects in class. Let's say object obj1 and a second object of class B. We have created an object of class A and object of class B, and I have to call this display function to display the value of the private data member of class A. So this display function belongs to class B. So by using this second object, class B object, we can access this function. So obj2 dot, notice we can access our display function by using this object, because it is a object of class B and this function belongs to class B. And here we have to pass class A object, that is obj1. See in the definition we are passing object of class A object as a parameter. So here we have to pass object 1 that is the object of class A as a parameter. Okay guys, let's execute this program. So the value of A is 90. So in this way we can access the private data members of class A using friend classes. B is a friend class of A, that is why all the data member functions of class B can access the private and protected data member of class A. See here we have accessed the private data member A of class A in class B. Okay guys, our program, let's execute this whole program manually. Our program execution always starts from main function. So the control comes here, and here we have created the object of our class A. So we know that as when we create an object of class, the constructor is automatically executed. So the control comes here, and A is initialized with 90 value. So A now contains 90. Then I have created an object of class B, and using the class B object I am able to access this display function. Why? Because this display function belongs to class B. That is why we can access this display function using the object of class B. So I have accessed this function using the class B object, and then as a parameter I have passed the class A object, and here so I have called this function here. So when we call this function, the control will directly jump on the definition of this display function over here, and here this object 1 of class A is passed here, and cout the value of A is, and obj dot A, we are able to access this object A of class. We are able to access this private data member of class A in the member function of class B, because B is friend class of A. So here we have accessed this private data member of class A. And finally our program terminates. Okay guys, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment section of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.